So in the last 4 years, since we launched our matrix implant that doesn't require any abutment, we have provided a lot of scientific evidence on single crown, both in vitro studies as well as clinical studies, and we're very happy that this year we can present a study on the mechanical stability of bridges screwed directly to the implant without using any tie bases or multi-unit abutment, and we have compared the matrix system without abutment to conventional systems using multi-unit abutments or using tie bases, and we have investigated both full zirconia bridges as well as PFM bridges. So the results are very impressive, both on the zirconia bridges with tie base to abutments as well as the PFM bridges. We see several problems after patient fatigue lifetime simulation. So on the PFM bridges, that is today a gold standard in implant prosthetics, we see a significant amount of chipping, while using the tie bases, that is another gold standard in dental implantology, we see a huge gap formation after patient lifetime simulation, and the only bridge that is still perfectly impeccable after patient lifetime simulation is a full zirconia bridge screwed directly to the matrix implant without using any multi-unit abutments or without using any titanium bases. Yes, this was also a question that we asked during this matrix bridge study. So when we install the bridges on matrix implant, we start with a high torque of 35 Newton centimeters. On the multi-unit abutments, we just have tiny little screws that we can just torque at 20 Newton centimeters initial torque. So after the patient lifetime installation, we ended up on the matrix implant system with 28.8 Newton centimeters. So we went down from 35 to 28.8 Newton centimeters, while on the multi-unit abutment we lost from the initial 20 Newton centimeters almost 50%, and we ended up with 10.25 Newton centimeters because the multi-unit abutments take away all the space and we have tiny little screws that we use on top of the multi-unit abutment. So this is a very strong indication that the risk for screw loosening on the matrix implant system and going directly to the implant is significantly lower compared to putting tiny screws on top of multi-unit abutments.